Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa. Today I have some stamps that I just received from Dianna Marcum. There are 3 different collections. I'm gonna go through them. I'll come back with some projects because I have a lot to do. There is a lot of stamps. I am blown away. I don't know, I think these 2 are, and then there's a barn set that I haven't seen online, but I will link the website. They're found on adornit.com. So cute, you guys. So this set here is a butterfly theme. It's called Butterfly Elements. How cute is this? Look at, you could totally do like a rainbow because it says chasing rainbows and butterflies. And then we have different size butterflies. Here's a saying, my world is more colorful because of you. How cute is that? Look at the flowers, the little butterfly. Just living is not enough, said the butterfly. One must have sunshine, freedom, and a little flower. How cute. That is so cute. You guys, look at that. Okay, so that's the big 6x8. Then the add-on has a few more sayings, and look at these flowers. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh, it has like a Bible verse. He has made everything beautiful in its own time. How cute is that? And then spread your wings and fly. And then butterflies remind us that you can go through darkness and still become beautiful. Oh, I love this. This would be cute on a tag, you guys. I can already see it. A little tag. And then the little flower or a little butterfly off to the side. Definitely making that one. How pretty. I'm going to pull out my watercolors. And then there's a recipe card or recipe set. I think this one is already online, but if you sign, I think she has the recipe stamp club, so I think you get this in that. And if they have extras, then they sell them online. Shoe fly muffins. How cute is that, you guys? It's got the recipe on there. How cute is that? I think I'm going to try to make this. It doesn't, ooh, that's a lot of sugar. 2 cups of brown sugar. Ooh, wait, this makes a lot. That's 4 cups. How many muffins? Oh, 24 muffins. I'm like, ugh, that's a lot. Although in my house, that will last us maybe 2 days. Oh, this looks pretty easy to make. It tells you exactly how to make it. It gives you the temp and then the time. Look at that. Oh, I want to make this. This would be cool. This would be like when you add like stuff in a jar. I don't know if you guys have seen those mixes in the jar. This would be cool to put that in there and then just say, you know, add the 2 cups of water and molasses and then everything else. Well, and the butter, but everything else is in there. I love this. It's so pretty. I love this flower here. And then the extra butterflies. Now, these are great because these are versatile on using them on other projects. So it's always nice to have butterfly designs. And I think they're a little bit different in size of like these 2 or even this one. Look at how much smaller it is. So that's pretty cool. And then look at on over here, they're larger. That is so cool. Just, I'm pretty sure there's a thought process in that. Okay, guys, and then the pumpkin cheesecake recipe. Oh my gosh, I'm excited for the Halloween, well, fall ones, because it's more fall than it is Halloween. I think I have all of her witch stamps. I love her witch designs, you guys. Oh my gosh, I should do a whole new project with it because I think I've had them for 2 years now. But look at this, the pumpkin cheesecake, and you have your pumpkin and it tells you, you know, what you need and then how to make it. And then look at this cute little pumpkin with the hearts and you get the little pumpkin. I am excited for this. Super excited because I want to mess with this because I have an idea. I think that you can stamp the pumpkin and then you can layer something on top of this and cut your pumpkin out. So you don't have to just use it as a recipe card. You could use this pumpkin just by itself. It's such a good size that you can use that as, you know, the backing on a card, not backing, but like layering on a card. And then here you could just layer on top something that says Happy Halloween or Happy Fall, and now you have this pumpkin design that you can use, and you don't have to do the recipe if you don't want to. But I love this idea. And a recipe card too, I would love to like do this on the front of a card and then stamp this in the back along with this, because you could stamp this or ink it up and then wipe off this excess here, and then now you have just your ingredients. There's so many different ways to play with this, you guys, but that's one way. Okay, and then we have the it's called the pumpkin perch elements. So you have this super cute barn with an owl and all these like elements all around it, right? Like these fall leaves and like shrubs, little acorn, a pumpkin. This is so cute. Extra grateful. I think this would be so cute on a tag. And look at this little muggy. Oh, love, love, love. And then we have a pumpkin with an owl. How cute. And then we have an owl over here. I think, you know what, this would be so cute to stamp up the elements and then add them to Scrap Diva Designs Acorn mini album. Oh my gosh, that would be so, card with this on it. Oh, I'm going to try that. And then have this, may your life be full of thanks and giving. That would be pretty to stamp on like a circle and then have the leaves layer around it. Oh my gosh, you guys, my mind is just, oop, oop, oop. I don't have enough time, you guys. I don't have enough time. Okay, pumpkin pie shop add-on. This one, oh my gosh, I love this little pumpkin pie shop. Dianna, this is awesome. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. How cute is this? I'm going to stamp this up and make it like super fall and cute. There's like those books that use this in the cover. But I'm going to add this to my October daily, and then I'm going to, you know, put a picture of my pumpkin pie that I'm going to go buy at Sam's Club, because we love pumpkin pie in this house. Thankful for sweet friends like you. Oh, that's cute. This would be a cute little, like, to make a card and then have this. Or you can, look at the little cheesecake. That's so cute, and the little leaves. But look at these little pumpkins. They're like hanging like on a little vine. How cute is that? This alone would be so cute on a card. Oh, I'm going to try that. That is so cute. So this is separate. It's an add-on to the pumpkin perchant, but it's called Pumpkin Pie Shop add-on. So cute. And then the other three that I have not, I didn't look too much, but right on the first page when you open up Adorn It with Dianna Marcum's stamp sets, there's all her stamps, but I didn't see these anywhere in it, but I didn't go searching for them, so I don't know if they're in there or they're not listed yet, but I'm going to share them anyways because they are so cute. So this is called the Barn Elements. I am so going to take out Erica's barn that she has, her little box, because I think this would be so cute to play around with the design of the front cover and make it a little card. Look at this. I love this. Hello Rooster. This is so cute. I just love it. I love her designs. Like, her art is just so cute. The Lord Almighty gives the farmer wisdom. How cute is that? The farm life chose me, not me. I am not a farm person. Do not put me anywhere near a farm. I like to be in my craft room. What happens in the barn stays in the barn. God. That is so funny. I'm going to turn that into a card. That is so funny. Love you to the barn and back. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. That is so cute. That would be cute like on a heart. That would be cute on a heart. And then have the little rooster sticking out. But look at the little flower. That is so cute. And then we have a plump wife and a big barn never did any man harm. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Now, I don't know if these are like sayings, but I have no clue when it comes to farm life, so I have no idea. But this is so cute. A little basket. I love these drawings, like very primitive. Oh, reminds me of like the early 90s, late 80s. Love it. Okay, look at this little barn add-on. I don't know the actual name. I'm assuming it's barn add-on. It is so cute, you guys. Look at this. Oh, love you to the barn and back. I love this design. This is so cute with the little rooster. And then look at the little tractor. Farm life. I think this would make such a cute little mini album for like somebody who does like farming and has pictures of farm. Look at the little truck. Oh, I just love these vintage trucks. So cute. And little farm. This would be a cute tag. This would be a super cute. You just stamp it, cut it out, and then punch a little hole and you've got your tags done. Again, the little flower design is so cute, you guys. Very well done. And then look at this one. Oh my gosh. This is called I think this was the barn recipe one. I can't remember. What did I say the name was? Barn dust ingredient or barn dust recipe, I think. How cute is that? It is like a just spices, but it has like salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, oregano, basil, and rosemary. It says place all spices in a food processor and blend until you have a fine dust. Place in a shaker jar and sprinkle everywhere you need flavor. How cool is that? That is so cute. It'd be cute to put this in, like make it and then put in like a little bag and then make a box and put this on the cover. I'm going to try that out and see. Oh my gosh, I just love this. This is so cute. I love that. I remember doing doodle like that. Not as nice though. I'm going to say that. Mine is not as nice. I need to find my old fun little journals I have with my doodles. Oh, I just love this. Okay, you guys. So I will link everything in the description box. I'll come back with my projects. I'm going to spend a day just stamping and coloring because I have some favorites. I'm not going to lie. Definitely pumpkins. But how cute are all these sets? Anyways, come back for some more videos soon, and I hope you guys will check out these stamps. Stay tuned for lots of projects. Thanks for watching. Bye.